I've been coming to Active Health for probably about a month now. I did chiropractor back in New Zealand where I'm from, but I was very bad with my attendance and would just go when I was broken and not keep going for maintenance. So I like coming here because it keeps me on top of it as well as fixing me at the same time. Today we were working on my hips and my neck. So my neck has been out of alignment because of work for quite some time. So getting it back into place where it should be so I'm not always in pain. And also my hip I'm working on because something is happening in my split position, which is limiting my mobility. So I'm trying to sort that out. It just comes with my career.
Yeah, you know the drill.
Neck pain is pretty common. However, the hip pain that I'm currently experiencing, which goes down to my knee, I haven't experienced before, so it's good to get on top of it before it actually turns into an injury. So I have always had one side dominance, and because of that, particularly one side's always getting more injured, and the smaller supporting muscles have just turned off, and one side's had to become the support and one side's sort of been the flexible injured side. For me, I feel an immediate difference in my neck. So towards the end of each week I'll be starting to feel more and more neck pain as my neck goes back to its comfortable position, which is like forward head posture with a straight neck.
You're strong, girl.
I feel immediate relief in my neck when I leave, and for the next couple of days until my posture and my bad habits start to get the better of me. With my hip, it's been a slower process. We've already fixed my ankle.
What's up?
Oh, I've gotten better at this.
Yeah, you have. Good.
Which was having some problems with swelling and tendonitis. So it's great that that's already gone back to normal.
Throw me that ball. Good job.
I feel like with every job, there's always something. You're never operating at 100%. No athlete ever operates at 100% when their body's in perfect condition. So this is necessary to enable us to stay on top of it before things become serious.
Oh my gosh. Last spot, last spot.
Yeah, that is the best spot.
Uh-huh, I saved the best for last.
Oh yeah. Yep.
2 and 1.
It's like half ticklish, half pain.
Sometimes the ticklish is worse than the pain.
So you're saying it's overly tightened?
It's a bit over tightened. Beautiful.
So like now, because before I felt like this was tight and I could release more through the hamstring, but like I should be able to sit. The left side's pretty jammed.
Now we got work to do. Let's go, girl. Breath in. And breath out. There we go. Nice. There we go. There we go. Doing all right?
Yeah, good.
Yes.
That's a big one.
Crunchiness.
Got in stunts when I was in my early 20s and then just never looked back. Stunts is just fun. It's really enjoyable, and I've been a performer my whole life, so it's what I've always done, really.
Chin up a little higher. I want to bring you over here. Nice.
I think the hardest thing I've had to do as a stunt performer isn't a specific stunt, but it's dealing with really uncomfortable situations and having the mental fortitude to actually push through it and get the job done. So it won't necessarily be one stunt, which is difficult. It'll be, we're going for another 20 takes. It's gonna hurt, you know it's gonna hurt.
That was good today.
You have to do it. Thank you.
You are welcome.